Hey guys, Susie here. Thanks for tuning in today. Yes, I've got my hair up. I've got no makeup on right now. I actually went to the Dollar Tree to pick up a few things and I thought I would share a haul with you guys, and I've not gotten ready or anything yet for today. So yeah, it's Sunday when I'm recording this. It is a Sunday. And frankly, I just am taking my sweet time getting ready, but I'm definitely about to take a shower here soon. I do want to share this haul with you guys. So I did go to Dollar Tree and picked up a few things. I really only meant to get a couple things, but I ended up getting more than I bargained for. Always, always. So yeah, let's just jump in and I'll show you guys what I picked up. And my local Dollar Tree has kind of been having an issue with, it seems like some of the people that are working there like really hate their jobs or something. Most of the time they walk around complaining about their jobs very loudly in front of the customers, which I think is very inappropriate. But I mean, whatever. That doesn't really bother me. But the point is, they're just not getting like the stock put up. There is always like boxes everywhere, and it's very hard for me to find things anymore. But I did find quite a few items. So yeah, but as far as like the makeup and some other different things I've seen people hauling, I've not really been able to find a lot of that stuff because, I don't know, they're just taking their sweet time. So the first thing I picked up is this Scrub Buddies 3-pack of scrubbing pads. These are really awesome for washing dishes because they don't really scratch up your things too much, but they do have a little bit of scrubbing power. So picked up that. I also picked up this 10-pack of latex gloves, and I really like having these around the house just because they're just really handy. I use them sometimes when I'm self-tanning, so I don't get it all over my hands, under the mitt. Also, they're good for like cleaning or if you're painting or something, so just really good little all-purpose item. And I also picked up one of these Brillo Basics dish brushes. I've got a brush from IKEA, but it is really starting to get old and it's time for me to throw it away. And this one is pretty much the same exact thing. It's just from the Brillo Basics brand. So picked up one of these for my kitchen. And I also picked up one of these Scrub Buddies 360 3-piece duster. And this is a constant repurchase from there. I really like to buy these. It's got the little handle and 2 dusters in there. So these are really good for just quick little dusting in your house. That's always a repurchase for me. Also picked up, I think I only picked up 2. Pretty sure I did. I think I only picked up 2 of these, but oh no, I picked up 3. Okay, so I picked up 3 air fresheners. I picked up the Remusit Hawaiian Oasis. And I think these are a little bit of a rip-off in the Dollar Tree. I always pick them up in there anyways, but you can actually find these for sometimes even under $1 at Walmart. So, but yeah, still, they're convenient. So, Hawaiian Oasis, the After the Rain Remusit, and also this Radiant Berries Glade one. And these are really handy to have around the house. I picked up 1 candle. I picked up this Cool Lime Iced Tea candle from Dollar Tree. I have not really been having very good luck with the candles at Dollar Tree. They just don't seem to last and smell in your house or anything for me, but this one smells pretty good. It kind of has like a key lime pie type smell, so picked one of those up. And also picked up this VO5 Kiwi Lime Squeeze Shampoo. I really, really love the VO5 shampoos. They work great in my hair, so I'm always repurchasing these. Really like these. They work really well. And I'm also, I bought a new hairspray, but I don't really like it. It's a L'Oreal like anti-humidity hairspray. So I picked up this White Rain Unscented Extra Hold hairspray. I'm going to give this a go and try it out. I am not a huge fan of White Rain products, but we'll see. It might be better than that other one that I got. So if I like it, I'll repurchase, but we'll see how it goes. So got some of that. I picked up this pet brush for Muffin. She does not have long hair, so I will not be using this side, but this side it'll be really good for like getting that little short hair of hers and giving her a good little brushing. So I picked one of those up. And I also picked up another one of these little succulents. They had barely any left in there anymore, but I wanted this one. I'm gonna actually finish up a little succulent hanging thing project. So if I do, I will try to probably maybe record that for you guys and show it to you. I know you guys love my little succulent projects that I do. So this was the last one that I saw on there. So I just went ahead and picked that up. And then I also, and they have these huge bags. Like, since when does Dollar Tree have these humongous bags? I don't know. I picked up one of these Aleene's Original Tacky Glue. This is definitely an item that I've seen at Michael's for way more than $1, so I picked that up just for my little crafting. And I also picked up some of this twine, which I'm going to use with the hanging succulent little thing that I'm doing. So pick some of that up. Plus it's just good to have around the house for stuff. And then I picked up this Vlasic Purely Pickles kosher dill stackers. This is really good. This is literally just like cucumbers and sea salt and vinegar, cucumbers, water, vinegar, sea salt, calcium, something. I mean, natural flavors. Very little ingredients in this, so went ahead and picked one of these up. I love having pickles in the house, so got some of that. And then I got two canned vegetables. I just thought these sounded kind of good and I wanted to give them a try. This one is the Margaret Holmes tomatoes, okra, and corn. I think I may try to make a soup and add this to my soup. I think that would be really good, so pick that up. And I also picked up this seasoned green lima beans. These look pretty good as well. I don't think my husband likes lima beans, but I do, so I'll be eating them. I picked up this 6-piece art brush set from that Jot brand. Really like that. So these are kind of nice. They're a little stiff because they definitely need to be like wet and soaked and stuff, but I needed these for when I do painting. And I picked up this bag. The bags were like a disaster in the Dollar Tree today, but I picked this one up. It's just an all occasion bag. It doesn't look too masculine or too feminine. It just looks right in the middle. That's what I wanted. And then the last bag here, I picked up some double bubble gum for work. Always for my little candy themed co-workers. And then I picked up some more candy for myself. I picked up these sweet tart ropes. These are actually quite pricey in the store, so it's nice to get these for $1. I picked up the tangy strawberry flavor. This looks really good. And I also picked up this, what is it called? Oh, cherry punch. So I got both of these. And then they had these McCormick cooking sauces for seafood, so I picked two of these up. I picked the tomato, garlic, and wine flavor. This one says mild seafood cooking sauce. And this one I think would be really good with like fish. Probably salmon. I think that would be really good with salmon, so I may use that this week. And I also picked up the curry Thai basil seafood cooking sauce, and this one's a medium heat, and this one I think I would make with shrimp. This looks like this would be really good with some shrimp and rice, or some shrimp and pasta or something. Really sounds pretty good. So that's everything I picked up. Some almanac cookies, but that was it. I got those out because my husband was eating them. So yeah, that's everything I picked up. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. Nothing too extravagant, but still picked up a few things that I needed, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for tuning in, and I definitely will have more videos coming up, so just stay tuned, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.